Sometimes, we need multiple email addresses. Why? Maybe to hide our top secret identity or just to sign up for that free trial. As the old saying goes, a wise person doesn't need many words. But hey, let's explain it anyway, because this trick is just too good. Here's the email hack you wish you knew sooner. You can actually create multiple versions of your email address using just a plus sign. That tiny little plus symbol is about to become your best friend. No magic, no coding, just email sorcery. Let me show you. I'm composing a new mail. I type in my email, add a +1. Then the domain at gmail.com. Boom! The email lands safely. Now I try +hello instead. Still works like a charm. Google doesn't mind. It's like, cool story, bro. Here's your mail. So go ahead, create endless variations of your email. Use it to organize stuff, sneak into trials, or confuse your nosy neighbor. Just remember, with great power comes great email organization. So that's all for today. If you have liked the video, all I want is a simple subscription. Thanks for watching.